Imagine a world powered by the sun. A world where every rooftop, every open space, and every building is a part of a vast, interconnected network of solar energy. Shimmering solar farms stretch across vast landscapes, harnessing the sun's energy. These farms are not just in remote deserts, but also in urban areas, seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. Sleek, futuristic cities gleam, their buildings adorned with solar panels. These cities are designed with sustainability in mind, reducing our carbon footprint and promoting green living. This is not a distant dream, but a possible future. A future where renewable energy is the norm, not the exception. A future where we harness the immense power of the sun to meet our energy needs. We have the technology, we have the resources, we have the knowledge to make this a reality. We just need the will, the determination to shift our priorities and invest in a sustainable future. The potential of solar energy is staggering. It offers a way to reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and mitigate the impacts of climate change. Think about this. We could power the entire world by covering just 1% of the Sahara Desert with solar panels. This is a testament to the incredible efficiency and potential of solar technology. That's a tiny fraction of the Earth's surface, yet it could provide enough energy to power our entire civilization. The sun, our nearest star, bathes our planet in more energy than we could ever use. Every day, it provides us with a clean, inexhaustible source of power. It's a clean, inexhaustible source of power, one that can be harnessed without harming our environment. This abundant energy source offers a solution to one of the most pressing challenges of our time, climate change. And by reducing our reliance on fossil fuels, we can significantly cut greenhouse gas emissions. The question is, how can solar energy help us reach a point where we are no longer adding to the problem? How can we transition to a world where renewable energy is the primary source of power? How can it help us achieve net zero emissions? The answer lies in our commitment to innovation, investment, and a collective vision for a sustainable future. Net zero emissions means that we are not adding to the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. This is a critical goal for the future of our planet, as it aims to halt the progression of climate change. It's about achieving a balance between the emissions we produce and the emissions we remove. This balance is essential to stabilize global temperatures and ensure a sustainable future for generations to come. Right now, we are far from this balance. Our current trajectory is leading us towards more severe and irreversible impacts on our environment. Our reliance on fossil fuels has released a dangerous amount of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These emissions are the primary drivers of global warming and climate change. These gases trap heat, causing the planet to warm at an alarming rate. The more we emit, the more heat gets trapped, exacerbating the problem. The consequences are already being felt around the world. Ice caps are melting, sea levels are rising, and coastal communities are at risk of being submerged. Extreme weather events are becoming more frequent and severe. Hurricanes, floods, and storms are causing unprecedented damage to infrastructure and livelihoods. We are seeing more heat waves, droughts, floods, and wildfires. These events are not only devastating to human communities, but also to wildlife and natural habitats. The natural world, our life support system, is struggling to cope. The urgency is clear. We must take immediate and decisive action to protect our planet. We must act now to reduce our emissions and avert the worst effects of climate change. Transitioning to renewable energy sources like solar and wind is a crucial step in this journey. Solar energy offers a way out of this crisis. It's a clean, renewable source of energy that can help us decarbonize our economies and transition to a sustainable future. Unlike fossil fuels, which release harmful pollutants into the atmosphere, solar energy produces no emissions during operation. Solar panels convert sunlight directly into electricity using a technology called photovoltaics. When sunlight strikes a solar panel, it knocks electrons loose from atoms, creating an electric current. This process is clean, silent, and efficient. Solar energy is not just good for the environment, it's also good for our economies. As solar technology has advanced, the cost of solar panels has plummeted, making it one of the most affordable sources of electricity available today. In many parts of the world, solar energy is now cheaper than fossil fuels. Solar panels are made up of photovoltaic cells, typically made from silicon. Each cell is designed to generate an electric current when exposed to sunlight. These cells are connected together in a panel to produce a usable amount of electricity. When sunlight hits a solar cell, it excites the electrons in the silicon. These excited electrons then flow through an external circuit, creating an electric current. This electricity can then be used to power homes, businesses, and even entire cities. The beauty of solar energy is its simplicity. It requires no fuel, produces no emissions, and can be harnessed anywhere with access to sunlight. It's a decentralized energy source that empowers individuals, communities, and nations to generate their own clean energy. The choice between fossil fuels and solar energy is clear and undeniable. Fossil fuels are finite resources that pollute our planet and contribute significantly to climate change. Solar energy, on the other hand, is a clean, renewable resource that can provide us with a sustainable energy future. Let's compare the two options: fossil fuels, high carbon emissions, finite resources, and price volatility. Solar energy, zero emissions during operation, renewable resource, and price stability. The benefits of solar energy are undeniable. It's a clean, affordable, and inexhaustible source of power that can help us address climate change, create jobs, and build a more sustainable and prosperous future. Around the world, we're seeing inspiring examples of solar energy being harnessed on a large scale. Countries are investing heavily in solar infrastructure, recognizing its potential to revolutionize the energy sector and combat climate change. From sprawling solar farms in deserts where vast expanses of land are utilized to capture the sun's energy, to solar panels on rooftops in urban areas, seamlessly integrating into the cityscape and providing clean energy to densely populated regions, solar is transforming the energy landscape. It is not just about large installations. Even small-scale solar projects are making a significant impact. Take the Ivanpah Solar Power Facility in California, for instance. This state-of-the-art facility is one of the largest solar thermal power plants in the world. This massive solar power plant, with its iconic towers towering over the Mojave Desert, captures the sun's rays using thousands of mirrors. It is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of sustainable energy solutions. It generates enough clean electricity to power 140,000 homes, showcasing the immense potential of solar energy, all while reducing carbon emissions by 400,000 tons annually. This is equivalent to taking 70,000 cars off the road each year. Another remarkable example is the Hornsdale Power Reserve in Australia, a groundbreaking project in renewable energy storage, also known as the Tesla Big Battery. This facility has set new standards for energy storage and grid stability. This grid-scale battery storage facility, paired with a wind farm, ensures that energy is available even when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. Demonstrates how renewable energy sources can provide reliable power even when the sun isn't shining. These projects are leading the way in the global transition to sustainable energy. Solar energy is not a silver bullet, but it's a crucial tool in our fight against climate change. While challenges remain, such as the need for better energy storage solutions and the intermittent nature of solar power, innovation in the solar industry continues at a rapid pace. Scientists and engineers are constantly working to improve the efficiency and affordability of solar panels, develop new energy storage technologies, and integrate solar power into our existing energy grids. The future of solar energy is bright. We stand at a crossroads. The path we choose today will determine the fate of our planet. By embracing the power of the sun, we can create a brighter future for ourselves and generations to come. Let's choose the path of sustainability. Let's choose solar.
If you have any questions or inquiries about solar energy, whether for small or large-scale projects, don't hesitate to reach out to Sustainable Technology Solutions. We're here to help power a greener, more sustainable future. Thanks for watching.